Hey guys, it's me, Savvy, and today we are going to be unboxing the January's Allure box. Alright, let's get started. So we have this magazine with this lady on it. It says includes promo codes, and then of course it tells you all the things you could get in here, possible. Seems like this one's all skincare stuff. But let's see what we got. We got some Perfect Shine Oil Mist for your hair. Color and heat protectant. So if I do decide to use heat on my hair, I have a heat protectant. And then next we have, this is all skincare, some exfoliate. Oh, I've used this, but a big version. I got it in my FabFitFun box. It's like a skin exfoliant. I used it and it works really good to clear your skin, so I like this brand. It's a good brand. And then next we have some Renewed Hope in a jar water cream, like glow moisturizer. And then we have some serum drops. Help skin look firmer, brighter, and hydrated. Vitamin C. I guess these are all for like no makeup days. Delivers powerful blend of vitamin C. Sorry, I don't have my glasses, so I'm trying to read it. Apply to face and neck, and then gently tap skin until well absorbed. And then use twice a day after applying toner. So yeah, it's like a no makeup day kind of thing. Next is this, a lip restoration car. So this was like a chapstick. Let's open this one. This is what it looks like. It smells kind of funky, but it's supposed to be for your lips. Try to make them better. I just ate a big chunk of that. That was not good. Ugh. I'm all bleh. I ate a big chunk of it, but I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste like anything really, but it's definitely a no makeup kind of box. I liked last month's better because I got makeup, but that's okay. And then next is this nice full-size Tarte Black Amazonian Clay Mascara. So here's what the packaging looks like. It looks really cool. It's huge. Let's see what the wand looks like. I mean, it smells like mascara. I already have mascara on, but let's see. I mean, of course I can't see the real results because I have actual mascara on, but we'll see. We'll try a very light makeup day tomorrow and just do like plain eyeshadow, and we'll use this mascara and we'll use all the products and see how it goes. But it's cruelty free, so I like that. Sorry, I'm trying to screw the lid back on, so I'm out of focus and I'm the wrong way, but that's okay. But I mean, yeah, it's still a good box for $15. You get all these products, all the face products and stuff. But yeah, so $15 for a full-size mascara, but probably pays for itself because Tarte's pretty expensive. Last 6 months, it's the shelf life, and like all the face stuff. So at least I have face stuff now to clean and do my face, because yeah, got some zits and stuff going on. But it's weird because like with this one, unlike Ipsy and like Birchbox and stuff, you don't get to like make your profile, so like they send everybody, I believe, the same stuff, or at least pretty similar. So yeah, that's like something that's different about it, but I like the mascara, so it's cool. It's like a wood package. I mean, even if I run out, I might just keep the bottle because it's like wood and cool looking. But yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!